Hello guys, this is question 4.66 and the statement of this question is let x represent the number that occurs when a green die is tossed and y the number that occurs when a red die is tossed. Find the variance of the random variable. Okay, so on this we are given two parts, part A and part B, and this question is closely relevant with the previous question in which we have found out the expected value for x and y. You can see that video for your reference as well. So now here, in order to find the variance of the random variable, which is the linear combination of the two random variables, here we have to do what? Let me use this brown color, and to find out the variance of the random variable z, which is basically the random variable ax plus by plus or minus c. Let me take it here as well. So it will become what? It will become a square variance of x plus b square variance of y, and this c is basically neglected, and this would be what? This would be the variance of z. Now here we have to use this formula. Let me take it, and this will be the formula which we are going to use here. Okay, but now here, in order to find it out, what do we have to find here? We have to find the variance for x and variance for y as well, and we clearly know from here that variance of x is equal to the variance of y, because these are basically the same dices, same characteristics, and all the things are similar here. So therefore the variance of them will remain the same as we have done in our previous question. So now, in order to find the variance of any one of them, which is here, what do we have to do? We have to find the expected value of x square, and from it I have to subtract the square of the expected value. Okay, in our previous question we have found it out, and the expected value of x was what? This was 3.57/2. Okay, so now let me first find out the e of x square. So e of x square will be here what? It would be from x equal to 1 up to 6 x square up to the p of x. Okay, so in our previous question we have seen that this p of x was equal to the p of y, and this was 1/6 in a fair dice. So therefore, taking it and writing all the values here, we would get 1 square multiplied by 1/6 plus 2 square multiplied by 1/6 plus multiplied by 1/6 plus 4 square multiplied by 1/6 plus 5 square multiplied by 1/6, plus 6 square multiplied by 1/6. Okay, let me move down somehow, or it will become 1 multiplied by 1/6 plus 4 multiplied by 1/6 plus 9 multiplied by 1/6 plus 16 multiplied by 1/6 plus 25 multiplied by 1/6 plus 36 multiplied by 1/6, or taking the LCM here, it will be 6. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36. Okay, so let me add them all together. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 16 30 plus 25 is 55, and 36. 55 plus 36 is 91. So 91 divided by 6, and this is basically e of x square, which is also the e of y square as well. Okay, so let me find the values of the variance. For it, let me move down, and in our formula we have seen that the variance of x is what? This was e of x square minus e of x whole square. Let me put all these values. So e of x square is 91 by 6, and this e of x is 7 by 2 whole square, which we will get ultimately as 91 by 6 minus 49 by 4. Okay, let me find out the LCM of 6 and 4. So 6, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4. So 3 to 6, 6 to 12. So 12. Okay, so multiplying this 12 with this one, so 91 multiplied by 2 is 182 minus 4 with this will become 3 multiplied by 49. So 349 will become 3 9 27, 3 4 12, 12 and 2 41, 47. Okay, so it will become what? It will be 35 divided by 12, or 2.92, and this is what? This is the variance for x, and also this is the variance for y as well. Okay, so we have found out the value of the variance. Let me move upside and solve our question. So now we have found out the variance for x. This is 2.92, and variance for y, because both are equivalent, it is 2.92. Now let us solve our question, and in our question let me solve with this color. So this is the solution, and in solving our question part A, we have to find out the variance for z, and in this case it is 2x minus y, which will be equal to what? Here this is the negative sign, and as both of the random variables are independent of each other, so therefore it will become, this is a, and here we have 1 which is b. This is a, this is b equal to 1, this is 2, and let us apply this formula. So in order to apply it, we will get 2 square multiplied by the sigma square of x, and plus b square multiplied by the sigma square of y. Let me put their values, and this will become 4 multiplied by, this is 2.92, plus this is 1. Okay, 1 square, so it will become 1 here as well, and also sigma square y is 2.92. so the answer of it will become what? The answer of it will be 14.6, and this is the solution for part A of our question. Okay, so this is the solution for part A. Now to find the solution for part B of our question, this is part B, and we have to find out the variance for x plus 3y minus 5. It will become what? By following the same formulation, we will have here 1 and the variance of x, because here this a is 1. Okay, we can see that here multiplicative term is a, which is 1, while here the multiplicative term is b, which is 3, while this will be ignored here. So it will become plus 3 square multiplied by sigma of y, while the other constant term will be zeroed here. So it will become 1 multiplied by 2.92 plus 9 multiplied by 2.92. Let me multiply them together and find the answer. 29.2 is the answer of it, and that is what? That is the solution for part B of question 4.66. So that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 4.66. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.